Inter FM's iHeart Hawaii. I'm Mibu Minami. Great to have you with us.
iHeart Hawaii on 76.1 Inter FM. I'm Kathy with a K, and a new album that dropped late in 2012 called Ukulele Dance. It was the debut from Taimane Gardner, going by Taimane. Taimane began playing the ukulele at age 5, performed on the sidewalks in Waikiki for fun, and as a young teenager was heard by Mr. Don Ho and was invited personally by him to join his legendary Don Ho show in Waikiki. Welcome, Taimane.
Thanks for having me.
I'm guessing your busy schedule and high demand to play for private parties, conventions around the world make it tough to do an album. How long did the process take from deciding to record a studio album, the song selection to it, and being delivered?
It actually took about a year to figure out what to record and how to record it. I worked closely with John DeMello, CEO of Mountain Apple, and it took us about a year of back and forth emailing and figuring out how to record and what songs to do.
How did you both decide how to select those tracks?
It was like a huge amount of songs that I've performed live, and I love to do medleys as well, and so trying to figure out which medleys to do, which songs to keep in the medley, which songs to take out in the medley. So it was a huge process, but John's been in the business for a long time, so he kind of helped me funnel which songs to do, and so it's kind of half covers, medleys that I enjoy doing, and then half originals.
Body surfing.
Your album Ukulele Dance has so many different influences, from the flamenco, the classical music, jazz, rock, original music. You were saying how being in Hawaii, it colors your outlook. How does it inform your music?
I guess the way that Hawaii has kind of shaped my music is how I was raised, you know, playing on the streets of Waikiki, playing in Chinatown, playing by myself. And I just play music that I love to listen to, you know, such as the 007, Led Zeppelin. I love classical music, flamenco. But also when it comes to my originals, I like to think of stories or visuals, and I end up writing these type of music that comes with the visual to it. So it's kind of formed into all these different types of styles on ukulele.
Could you give us a couple of songs that maybe we could first take a listen to as soon as we get it into our MP3 library, or we get the CD from mountainapplerecords.com?
Sure. If you want to get a taste of what I'm about, I would suggest listening to Body Surfing, which is number 1. And the Stairway to Heaven to Beethoven for Elise. I used to play that every night on Don Ho's stage, so that has a lot of memories to it. But I'd also like people to enjoy the slower ballads, which I don't perform as much, but I think it has a lot of character and depth to it. And that would be The Moon, that's actually my favorite song, and Neptune's Storm.
Oh, here's Taimane and Neptune's Storm.
When you are not on tour, where do you call home?
Here, Hawaii. I live in Kaimuki, and I've been born and raised in Hawaii, so I'm very thankful to be here when I'm here. I have been traveling a lot, and so when I do get back, I like to spend a lot of time in the islands, especially during the holidays. My parents live in Ainahaina, and they live right next to a hiking trail, so I love to take my doggies out on that hiking trail. It's very quiet and peaceful there. When I go to the beach, I love to go to Kaimana with friends. I love to go to the North Shore if we're feeling, you know, we can venture out that far. And then I also like going down to Chinatown and doing some open mics down there at night, just with my friends.
Where can your fans in Japan see you when they visit here in the islands?
My fans can come and watch me play at the Hyatt. I play every Friday from 6 o'clock to 7 up at the bar called Swim. But I do advise them to try and check out my website, taimane.com, because I do travel as well a lot.
Hey Mele no Hina on Inter FM.